Puppies are playing, the mama is watching. Puppies are playing and the mama is watching. This beautiful girl was the most weak, the most skinny. And she gets so much stronger now. With extra care for her. I give her extra care. She was the most skinny. And now she's getting so much stronger and she play with them and she's getting stronger day by day. She was the skinniest one. She's a lovely girl. That one there. There she is. She's still not so big as the others, but she's so much stronger now than the last weeks. They are playing. There she is. There she is. Yeah, she is. Ah. You see, they play now. They're not fighting. Some people, when they see this, they worry that they fight. This is animals. They play. They play. They are puppies. Look at her. She enjoys her life now. And she's so much stronger now. She put them down. Kids are having fun. Yeah. And she loves me so much because I give her extra care. Kids are having fun. Those are my kids. My dogs, my animals are my kids. Yeah, she is so much stronger. I'm so happy for her and for all of them. Hadi guy, bravo, bravo. It looks like she's the leader here. And Mama is checking everything. Beautiful, beautiful. She enjoy life, all of them.